Hi guys, so today I'm going to do an Honest Company unboxing. If you look behind me, you'll see the sneak peek for the next unboxing laying on my couch. So before we unbox, I'm going to read some information about the Honest Company. So on their website, you can try a sample of their diapers for just $5.95, which is only shipping, so the samples are actually free. You get 5 diapers and 10 wipes. Be careful if you buy this and end up not wanting to keep buying the Honest diapers, because at the bottom it says you have 7 days after receiving your trial to cancel for any reason before you are automatically enrolled in Diapers and Wipes bundle subscription, because they will charge you $79.95 a month if you did not unenroll. Alright, so the Diapers and Wipes bundle, if you like them and you want to go ahead and buy the actual bundle, is $79.95 per month plus free shipping. So included in the bundle is 7 packs of diapers, 4 packs of wipes, and free shipping. You enjoy saving over 17% by buying it in a bundle versus if you were to buy them separately. You can pay as you go. Oh, you can also adjust the weekly time that you want to receive more diapers. Alright. Also, there is a code for the first time that you get it. So I'm going to show you this one that's on my phone right now. And this may not always be the exact same code. So you may have to use another one, so it's take 40. So, and it's off your first month. So it only works if it's your first time getting the diapers. But you could always use your husband's email, your friend's email, and make a new account. So I really like these diapers because they are super absorbent. I can put them on my son at night and not worry about them leaking. On the box, it says since 2012, we have given a total of 16.8 million products to help people in need live happy and healthy lives. So I think that's pretty awesome that they have a purpose as well. I really like the diapers, not just because they're absorbent, but because also you get a super fun print. So you pick the size, and then you get to pick up to 7 prints that you'll receive. So this one, I believe is cars. Let's see, it should have the name on here. Farm Fresh. So it says organic groves, next exit, like road names. It has little cars on it, if you guys can see them. So that's the first pack. The second one, we've tried this print before and I really like this. So it's like a tribal. You guys can see. I wish that you guys could see on the side of the book. Here it is. This is what the full diaper looks like. My son is currently in size 5, if that helps. It comes with, so for size 5, I get 20 diapers, and it's 27 pounds plus. Alright, then we got Space Travel. You guys can see what they look like. If you guys do forget to cancel your subscription and you don't want them and they've already billed you, once you receive the diapers, you can send them back free with a code you get off their website. I have done that before because I had forgot to cancel. Alright, this one is Drafts. These are all size 5. Oh, this one's kind of a girly print, but I got it because it's cute for Easter. So, bunnies. It's kind of girly, but I don't care. Alright, and then we got trains. And then we have pandas. Alright. Now, I know before you could also do the trial of the wash, the body wash and shampoo, which I have never tried. I would like to, but I have never tried it. Alright, and then these are the wipes. So my son seems to not have any issues with these. It says that they're 72. They are pure and gentle, enriched with botanical extracts to help cleanse, moisturize, and soothe. Biodegradable, plant-based, no harsh chemicals or chlorine. Medical grade cloth, ultra soft and thick, durable for multi-purpose cleaning. It's made without alcohol, chlorine, parabens, or most common allergens. Sorry guys, it cut off on me because it ran out of memory. So you get 4 packs of these all together. There's 72 wipes in each. I got this, so I ordered it on, I want to say Saturday night, and I received it on, see, today is Wednesday morning. So that was pretty good shipping time. Then it's just a few days. The website says 2 to 5 days, so it's really nice time. I like that you can set the times that you would need diapers to send to you. We honestly don't really need diapers. I just buy these because they're cute. When I was pregnant, I stocked up on diapers. I used a ton of coupons from like the Huggies samples, and when the Huggies would go on sale, I would buy it. So I haven't really needed diapers, but I like buying these because of the prints. This is my second box of these, and I've done a trial one time. Alright, so if you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure to do so. BoxyCharm will be coming next, if you guys can see it right here. Well, my bra strap's been showing that time. Sorry guys. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, do so. BoxyCharm's next. If you have any more ideas, let me know in the comments below. I should have a trial on the way for the diaper so that I can show you what it looks like. It should be here within the next few days, so it should be coming up too. Alright, thank you.